Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like entryway console table that this brand sent to me for this video, which one thing that I have to say you is the assemble process. It is actually quite simple. Everything all comes explained right here, and it's quite simple to do. I think it took me probably 25 minutes with power tools, and that was it. Also, you can actually mount this one. I mean, not mount, but secure this one to the wall if you also want. It comes with everything you need for that as well. But then size-wise, this is about 43 inches wide by 30 inches tall. And you can see that you have enough room to put all decorations you want. This is gonna be more like a decorational one, you know? You can put your keys on top, this one, your sunglasses, your wallet, everything that you need every day to get in and out of the house. And you can have all that one in there. But then I grabbed this one just for you to have a reference on the size. And you can actually use this one to put all those multiple decorations. Like for example, candles or flowers or books or DVDs or things like that. You can use all this one to put all the decorations. Let's take a closer look. So with this one, you're gonna get this nice and solid thick wood platform over here to put all those main things that I was just telling you. A nice metal frame. This is a nice metal frame that is black coated, and you can see that you have plenty of places to put some sort of decoration. So for example, this one, you can put a small candles, you can put some flowers in this one, you can put some books at the bottom, and then you can put some other things over there. You even have two on the sides. I mean, those are smaller ones, but I do like the curve that makes over there, and even comes with rubber pads right here on the legs, so it won't damage your wooden floor or something like that. Again, I have to say that for like a decoration on an entryway, and of course having a console table for all those things that you need in within easy reach and also decorative purposes, this is actually pretty nice. I like it and I do recommend it. Also, easy assemble.